In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a song as your ringtone. As usual in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, open the files app, the Google Files app, then locate where the song is situated. My song is in the downloads folder, so I'll just tap on downloads. Then I'll see my song. Now just tap on the song to open it. Okay, after opening the song, you can see I want to set this song as my ringtone. What do I do? If you check to the top, there are three dots. Just tap on the three dots. Okay, then you will see an option for set as ringtone, this option here. Now you can see the song has been set as my ringtone, so anytime someone's call me, I will hear the song. Now this is the song. Okay, now that is how you set your song as your ringtone. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tips like this. Thank you.